Hello guys, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel, Option Behavior. So guys, today we are gonna learn about future hedging. Okay, so in some of my previous videos, I have discussed about the option selling, option buying, and hedging concept, right? So today, I thought of making a video on like how to hedge a future position when when we make a future long or when we make a future short. So what all are the possible ways through which we can hedge our position because there is unlimited risk in future, right? If you simply make any future as long, right? And if that stocks, I mean, if that particular stock falls suddenly, right? With huge volume. So obviously that depends on the, I mean, depending on the lot size, it can give you, uh, a very bad loss actually. Okay, means you will not be able to control that loss. Especially, maybe at the time of Corona, if people, if people would have, long their position. So and the very next day, right, the market start crashing down. So obviously that pain was simply unbearable. So to avoid such situation or even in any case, right? So we should be always hedging our position so that we can survive in the market and we can work, right? And we can learn something, we can earn something, right? Instead of simply giving a huge amount of money to market, right? This is not a way to work in a stock market or in option or future. So guys, so today's video is going to be very important. So I would request everyone to please watch video from end till the end of the complete video, okay? And you should not miss even a single point. So let's start with any of the future, okay? I'm just making an assumption on making a long position or short positions. I will discuss on both the aspects. Okay, so by doing so, you can, make your future long or short depending on your view on or depending on your chart. Okay, so let's start without wasting time, guys. So, for example, okay, as you can see, I have I have applied one of the stock in Hindustan Unilever, okay, in which I am seeing, okay, uh, there might be some, the stock has been falling down consistently and uh, I mean, as per analysis or as per your thought or as per your review, I am thinking that this is taking a support at this trading point, okay, like it is trading around 2400. So I am expecting a bounce back from here. Okay. So with this view, if I want to make a long position in future in this stock, right? So I cannot simply, simply buy a future of this stock. Okay. That is not the way. So how should we exactly perform this action and what should be the risk and how should we avoid that? Okay. And even in worst case, if we make it long, but maybe if the stock goes against me, right? Or against our position. So in that case, without, I mean, if I did not make any hedging and all, right, it can give me huge losses. So to avoid that, what could I do? Okay, so for example, let me, uh, since November month is going to end in a week, so let us consider, okay, we are making a future. I mean, we are buying a future or we are making a long position in Hindustan Unilever future. Okay, so the lot size for this is, I guess, 300. Okay, so okay, if we have a view of making this stock as long, that is fine. We can buy this future. But what what should we do now in order to protect this? So a very simple hedging, guys, comes, when we actually, um, since we are making a position, a long position, right, in any stock, so definitely we should be buying some ITM put, okay, so that we can avoid, a sudden fall of the stock. So um, let me show you that in Opstra, okay, what will be the maximum risk and reward, okay, okay, I think here, okay. So, for example, Hindustan Unilever, I'm going to make this as long. So what I'm gonna do is I'll be simply adding this stock. So okay, so here maximum risk, maximum here max profit or max loss, right? If a stock starts falling down, we will be in maximum loss. It could be anything, 1 lakh, 2 lakh, right? Or there is a possibility of gain also. I'm not saying that you cannot gain, but you will not be able to keep that stock even if that moves, right? You will not be able to keep it till that moment of, you will not be able to simply hold. Okay, even if the stock starts giving profit of 10,000 or 20,000, you will start feeling, oh my God, let's book the profit and exit the trade, right? So you will not be able to make it hold, and then after exiting, you will, oh shit, it has gone up to 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh, but who knows whether it will come back or whether it will, keep on increasing. No one knows, right? If the people would be knowing something in advance, then why should we, like, what is the point of doing analysis and all, right? We can simply buy a call or we can simply keep it for a long time, but that doesn't happen, right? So okay, uh, what are the possible way through which we can hedge this position, okay, in order to avoid this maximum loss, right? This is maximum risk. So one thing is simple hedging. We can make it, what we can do is we can buy a put position, right? Because we are making a long position in stock, so definitely we should buy a put position so that if the stock starts falling down, at least I would be having some profit from put, so it will not keep me in unlimited loss. Although my profit will be limited, not actually limited, but my profit will be, somewhat will be lesser than what I'm seeing now. But at least even the loss is not unlimited, right? So I can protect my capital. If I have the capital, then I can again trade in some other stocks, right? But what if the complete capital itself vanishes, right? So you should means if you are here to trade or if you want to earn something in a way, okay. If you're not here, to make a gambling in this stock market, then definitely you should be having some proper strategies in order to earn from the stock market, and you should be I mean you should be treating this stock market as a business. Okay, so business is not a gambling. If you plan something to do a business on any stuff, right? So definitely you will have to have some plan and some risk management too. So for that, definitely we should be buying some put position. So and this is very advisable that you should be actually buying some ITM put so that that can give you more protection. You can go also with ATM put, but that that will give you pain. Why pain? Because even if the stock moves up, right, and if again it comes at the same position, that put will not keep you in profit ultimately. You will start seeing losses in put because of theta decay. Okay, so that is why it is advised to at least to go some percentage, in the money to buy that so that immediately if the stock moves down, definitely you're gonna make some protection on your capital. So okay, so currently it is trading at around 2400. So if I want to buy a put, I would be rather buying so suppose 24 40. Okay, so 2440 the put. Oh, this is not a liquid option. So okay, guys. So this is very important point to note. Okay, so you should not be making a long position or a short position if you are, I mean, simply if you are planning something, like if you want to protect something by hedging, right, by buying put or call depending on your direction. So you should always choose that stock, okay, first of all, whose options are completely liquid, okay, almost every strike. So in this case, as you can see, this selected option strike is not liquid or not traded on this day. So definitely you should not be making such position if you really want to protect your capital. You should always select a stock which is, I mean, whose options are completely liquid, so that you can buy at any price that is currently running on the market, and you can exit your position. But if there is no liquidity in the option, right, what will happen is, say suppose if the buyer, if the buyer is standing at, say suppose 40 rupees, and the seller wants to sell that at 80 rupees, so you are never gonna make money on such kind of illiquid options. So okay, instead of selecting Insani Liver, let me select Infosys rather. Okay, and if I even I have like a long position for this, a long view on Infi. Okay, so let me add this one. Okay, so now if I select the put option. Okay, so it is trading around, 17,000, 1,790. Okay, I'm seeing the future price. So 17,019. So let us consider 1,820 put. This is also not liquid. Maybe since we are doing at, I mean, we are checking this, maybe we are checking this actually 1 week before, right? Before actually this expiry starts, number expiry. So maybe that is one of the reason. Uh, Okay, in the money put is not being traded. So if it is 40, okay. So this is not liquid. Okay, this is not liquid, and so what we gonna do is what we're gonna make is, okay. So suppose, I mean, just for learning purpose, I'm saying, okay. So suppose if my view is negative on in fee, okay. So what I will do is first what I'm gonna do is I'll be buying, I mean, I'll be shorting this future, right? Okay. I'm just saying, for example, it's not like this is my view. Okay. Just consider this just to make you understand the concept of how to hedge your position, future position, right? So if I am having a negative view, I mean, in the sense I'm having, bearish view on this Infosys stock. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna short sell its future position. Okay. Now, just to protect this one, if I want to try a call option. Okay, definitely I am short on that position, right? So if the stock rises, it can start giving me losses. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to buy some in the money call, right? So it is trading at around 790. I'm gonna buy a call of 760. I mean 760. Okay, 30 points inside. So if I buy that, right? Now what you're gonna do is what you're gonna see is, see my unlimited risk, which was if I eliminate this one, see my max profit is undefined, max loss is also undefined. Okay, but if I really want to earn something, or if I really want to protect my capital, right? So for that, I'm just buying an in the money call. Now my max loss has got reduced from undefined to 8,700. So it can simply protect my capital, it can keep me emotionally stable, right? And it cannot give me, huge losses. Even if there is a sudden crash happens in the market or even in this stock, right? I will be simply stable. Okay, one time I can give like 8,000 or 9,000 to the market, but I can take this back, right? If my stock performs well, I can earn a good amount of money. So even some days if I lose this amount, that is fine, right? But so this is one of simple strategies through which you can simply protect your um, future position, right? So that this is always advisable to buy a call or put that should be ITM that can give you very minimal losses. Okay, if your stock doesn't move in that direction, but if that moves in a direction, your still max profit is undefined. That means you're still gonna make undefined, although it will take you know means this will be only in maximum profit when the stock starts moving drastically, towards your direction, because you're also paying this amount of 58 point or 60 rupees of premium. So what if the stock moves 200 or 300 points move, if it takes that much of movement, right, then only like you'll be sitting in good profit. Okay, but if just it takes, like 50 points or 60 point movement, then you will be in minor profit. Okay, but at least your capital is protected, right? Okay, because you are just paying 60 rupees a premium, and if your stock moves in your direction, then you're gonna make huge money. But what is the another alternative option through which even I do not want to lose this much of amount, which is currently at 8,700. So what should we actually do on this so that even I don't want to lose this much? Maybe it could be half of that. Maybe it could be, like 20% of the one. I mean, 20% of this amount, right? So how should we do that further? Yes, we can do so, but in that case, your profit will not be unlimited. It will be limited. It will be limited. So what we can do is we have bought, I mean, we have shortened the future, okay, and we have bought a call option to protect my position, and under which I can see maximum loss of 9,000, I suppose. But even this 9,000, I don't want to give back to market. I want to at least, maybe 3,000 or 4,000 like that, if I'm planning that. Okay. So what should I take further step? Okay. So in that case, what should you do is you should you should also um, sell. Okay. If the stock starts moving up, all right. First try to understand the logic. If the stock starts moving upside, that means that is going against your direction. So call is going to make you protected, but you but there is also a chance of losing that amount of money, right? 9,000. But even you don't want that much to be spent. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you are going to you will have to make a sell position. Okay. Out of the money, we are gonna make a sell position in option. So what we will do is, so currently it is trading at 17,000 rupees. Okay, means almost 1800. So let us let us sell. Sorry, let us sell a put. Let us sell a put position. Okay, put option of 100 points away from the spot. or from the future, whatever it is. So what will happen is if I make it, I mean, if I shorten this put also. So now you can see your max loss has got reduced from 9,000 to 5,000. That means your capital is now much more protected. Your capital is much more protected. Okay. So now if the stock goes in your favor, okay, in your favor, so what happens is you're gonna make hardly 13,000 or 14,000. Oh, sorry, 13,000 only. But although you are making 13,000, but you are not going to lose 9,000. Means in the worst case, it is going to give you loss of 5,000 only. So this is a way you can also protect your capital to certain, um, you know, you can protect your capital much more, right? In this way. So guys, this is how you should always, try to think on making any position, like what will be the maximum risk, what should I do, how should I protect my capital. So in this, like making a position in the future, you should always try to buy. First of all, if you are making a short on any stock option, right? Stock future, then you should be buying some ITM call. If you are making a long position in future, then you should be buying some ITM put option. And if that is done, then try to see, okay, what will be the maximum loss and profit, and depending on that, if you want to protect more capital, if you want to make that loss, much lesser than what you are seeing just by buying put or call, so you simply sell an out of the money option, okay, so that will reduce your loss, okay. So and this will simply, this will obviously keep you emotionally very much stable, guys, because you can means you can keep this position for the entire month, and even at the last moment of time, if it tries to go, it tries to go to your direction, in that case also you can make some money. If you know option behavior, okay, then in that case also you can make some money. So this is how you can make your loss. You can minimize your losses, guys. And if you want to really, now if you want to, if you want to minimize your losses further, right? So your profit will be reduced further. Okay, you can even make it almost negligible losses, but your profit will be minimized very much. So finally, there will be no gain, right? Okay, say for example, if I will sell a put option of 17,000, 17,040. Okay, if I sell this, see, my loss although has become 2,000 only, but my profit is just nearly 4,000. What is the like point of doing this, right? So at least it should be there should be some risk to reward ratio also, right? If you are giving like 4,000, 5,000, then at least 1 is to 3 is coming. So that should be okay, realizable. Fine. So, guys, this is how you should think on your position before making it. Okay, you should not be acting like a jumping baby. Okay, so just try to think over it before making a position about, and you should always calculate your position. Like what is maximum loss that you're gonna make, and what all what all are the possibilities which can give you losses, right? Or what will the maximum risk and reward ratio. So you will have to think on different parameters, and you will have to think on from different point of view, Okay, it's not like you just have to reduce your loss to to almost negligible. Then profit will also be negligible. So what is the point in making a position? In that case, it should not make a position. We are making a position because we have some view, we have some analysis, we have something at least with us. If that goes wrong, then in that case only I should be in minor loss. But I am not going to give that much of losses, right? Unlimited loss to market. Because if that means if you have that mentality, if you have that perception, then obviously you are not gonna win from the market. The reason is you're gonna make huge losses, and you're gonna make very less profit compared to your losses. And this is how, I mean, this is the actual truth of a retailer. So people like us, people like, I mean, retailers like us, we should always have some strategy, some thoughts on, making a position. And we should always have some calculation, some risk or reward, right? Then only we can we see the main motto. What I would suggest in the market is you should always put much more effort in protecting your capital. वो रणछोड़ दास का जो एक मतलब जो थ्री इडियट्स की जो डायलॉग है ना कि कामयाबी के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सीलेंस के पीछे भागो, कामयाबी झक मारते पीछे आएगी, है ना? तो हम लोग प्रॉफिट के पीछे नहीं भागेंगे, हम लोग रिस्क और मैनेजमेंट के पीछे हम लोग भागेंगे, तो प्रॉफिट झक मारते हुए आएगी, है ना? तो वी शुड ऑलवेज थिंक ऑन दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. Okay guys, so I hope you like this video, and keep supporting me, and definitely you will also make money, okay, once you have once you start learning, and once you start increasing your skills on to make your capital is protected, okay. And if you start thinking on in such a way that how should you put your maximum, I mean, what will be the maximum risk, and what will be the maximum reward, and how should I protect my capital, then only you can go ahead in the market and you can survive. If you just if you have come just here, just for uh, you know uh, like just from the a perspective of gambling it, so definitely you are not going to make money, and even you are not going to survive for long time. Maybe for certain months, for certain years, you can, okay, you can enjoy, okay, you can make lakhs money, but ultimately you will be in loss. That is for sure. But if you have that skill, if you have that any strategies, if you have some plan, definitely you are gonna survive, and you will. And obviously, if you are having your capitals protected, then no one has that capacity to throw you out of the market, right? Because you know how to manage your risk. Okay. And so suppose if the stock this okay, so this 2000 also, okay, not this one. Okay, I will make a video in which you can, if you have the perception of, okay, the stock is not going to fall down, because here you have made a short position, right? And the stock starts rising. So on your analysis, on your some chart and all, if that indicates, okay, the stock is not going to come back, then in that case also, how could you reduce your losses to a further extent? So that also we will be learning in next video. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.